Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Every year, almost after every drop, Bitcoin forms the different bullish reversal harmonic moves. Like after the last drop, when we had from April to July 2021, the Bitcoin formed this harmonic bullish reversal bat move that I shared for my members at the Patreon, and I also shared this pattern with you as well on YouTube and on the different platforms. And I told you guys that the Bitcoin is completing the final leg of a harmonic bullish reversal bat, and we can expect a further drop for the completion of this final leg. And once it will be entered here in this zone, then from here we can expect a reversal move to the upside. This bullish potential reversal zone was starting from $31,531 and goes to $30,886. Now, if I play this chart, then we can see that the price line reversed bullish after completion of this final leg. The price line dropped more and completed the final leg here. We had a long spike, but on the very next candlestick, the price line recovered back and re-entered the potential reversal zone of this harmonic bat, and we had a very big rally from there. This time, Bitcoin has formed a very big bullish harmonic reversal shark move on the weekly time frame. This was on the daily time frame, and the current pattern is formed on the weekly time frame. And I shared this pattern with my members at the Patreon on 18th of December. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas here for my members. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then you can join me through the link I've shared in the video's description. Now, let me just show you this idea that I shared. And you can see that the price line completed the final leg on this candlestick and moved up again. And I told my members then we can expect that it will give us another chance to complete to catch it from this potential reversal zone because here you can see I've mentioned here. Therefore, we can wait for the price line to move down in buying zone again and then place buying orders. Now we can see this potential reversal zone goes from starts from $42,701 and goes to $36,000. But we also have a very strong support at $41,330. Now, if I place I play this chart, then we can see that the price line again dropped more, and now it has again completed this final leg. And at this support of $41,330, it is now likely to move sideways. Our sell targets, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this harmonic shark move, are starting from $48,600 and goes to $61,939. So this is the bullish potential reversal zone as per the Fibonacci sequence, from where we can expect a reversal move. It is possible that it will move more down up to $36,000. That is the maximum extent of this potential reversal zone. But I'm not expecting, in my opinion, I'm expecting that from this support, we can expect another reversal, and we can have another move to the upside up to these sell targets, or maybe we can have a bigger move like previously Bitcoin moved even beyond these sell targets, and it is possible this time it will again start another very powerful reversal move. Now, if we switch to the daily live time frame chart, here we can see that the price line has formed this down channel. And this is another very strong support at $39,650. We had a spike here, but it is recovered back and moved above the support of $41,300. And you can see that previously this support level has been working as a very nice support and resistance as well. Therefore, it worked as a nice support. And while the price line is at this strong support of the channel and also this support of $39,650, at the same time, we can see that oscillator, the RSI oscillator, has entered oversold zone. Previously, it was entered the oversold zone here on 10th of December. We had another rally to the upside, but we were rejected by this resistance of this channel and moved down again. For example, if the price line moves at least up to this resistance again, that will be approximately at $46,300. But it is also possible that this big reversal will be started from this support. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.